The Social Security is voluntary. The regulations on the SS5 application for a Social Security number simply states that you can obtain a Social Security number if you need or request it. There is no legal compulsion to do so. Neither can a state make that which is voluntary under federal law something that is mandatory under state law. Furthermore, should any right be denied you when you decline to provide your Social Security number, you may file an action in the courts under the Privacy Act with penalty paid by the individual, business, or government agency who wronged you. Take a witness when you assert these rights. It shall be unlawful for any federal, state, or local government agency, including businesses within the federal United States, to deny to any individual any right, benefit, or privilege provided by law because of such individual's refusal to disclose his or her Social Security account number. Prior to the Social Security Act of 1935, each sovereign state had its own social welfare system, and paid varying benefits. The Social Security Administration was federalized in 1939 with national standards of compensation, and the Social Security number was incorporated into the Internal Revenue Service as an ID number for income tax purposes as well. Since the introduction of the Social Security number, there has been many attempts to make Social Security number a mandatory federal and national ID card, all except have failed to date. The last attempt to establish a federal national ID card was the National Health Card. The most recent attempt has been a mandatory ID card for all immigrants and cashless debit cards, which may be mandated for all U.S. citizens if you want access to the federal health care system or any grocery store. Applying for and receiving a Social Security number is an unveiled commercial agreement that also assigns you power of attorney to the federal U.S. government to act on your behalf. 2. It appears to sovereign state citizenship by naturalizing as a 14th or 15th Amendment U.S. citizen of the District of Columbia. 3. Creates a juris person in your name subject to laws of the federal United States government corporation. According to their own internal regulations, you can unilaterally terminate your participation in the Social Security system, as a parent can object to a Social Security number being issued at the birth you can sign it. You can even apply for a refund of Social Security payments after you have become fully invested at full quarters. Don't expect though to see a refund anytime soon or any honest disclosure on behalf of the Social Security Administration when you resign or revoke your Social Security number by affidavit. But don't hold your breath waiting for the Social Security Administration to make it easy for you. They have assisted administratively be a correspondent that you cannot terminate your Social Security and cannot get a refund. We advise criminal system not relying on any Social Security system for your well-being and not bothering to get any funds back. There is no individual account of funds waiting for you when you need it. It's a general tax and general fund which is fundamentally overdrawn and bankrupt like the rest of the system. The Georgia government of Colorado State, Eric Madden, asserts that nowhere in the Social Security Act is a Social Security number attached to a naturally born individual. Instead, he asserts it's a trust account number for a trust established in the trustee's name, you're given at the birth, except that it's all capital letters. Example on your birth certificate. Social Security insurance is a constructed trust with the Social Security Administration as the creator. Therefore, Form 1041 would be the appropriate tax form for those Americans who volunteer as taxpayers, not the Form 1040 as we're told. This is a very interesting theory, and Mr. Mans has effectively tested it for a number of years. Privacy Act and Freedom of Information Act. If the government is invading your privacy, getting information without your permission, you have the rights under the Privacy Act of 1974. This act specifically enacts to curtain the expanding use of the Social Security number and the computers as a threat to personal privacy and confidentiality. All public servants are also required to fill out and sign a questionnaire before securing information about your affairs, including your correspondence at any government agency. If you have a request for information related to me is received from any person or agency, you must advise me in writing before releasing such information. Failure to do so is subject to the personal, civil, and criminal action as provided by the Privacy Act of 1974. Any American may get information from the government about him themselves through the Freedom of Information Act. This is a powerful tool for discovering and unveiling commercial agreements on record under your name, or for researching laws, administrative rules, and procedures, or for determining the public policy of government agencies. Provide your name, address, and full Social Security number, account number designated for information purposes with the years in question requested, along with reasonable costs. The government has 10 days to respond to any American citizen making a formal request of information through the Freedom of Information Act. If they deny you information, an appeal must be processed within 20 days. Unless a criminal investigation is on, nothing should be exempt from disclosure. The penalty to the government agency for failure to respond or for denying you information legally required is $1,000. Make Freedom of Information requests to state agency address to attention disclosed officer. Any person making a request to any agency for record under paragraph 1, 2, or 3 of this subsection shall be deemed to have exhausted his administrative remedies with respect to such requests if the agency fails to comply with the applicable time limit provision of this paragraph. Permit the individual to request amendment of a record pertaining to him and not later than 10 days after the date of receipt of such request. Acknowledgement in writing of such receipt and either making any corrections, inform the individual of his refusal to amend the record.